Interesting. Very interesting.
Hey, Sammy, what are you doing?
Remember the Super Sam shrink spray that I was working on? Well, it was a success. Check it out. I accidentally shrank some of your dolls. When I say accidentally, I mean deliberately.
Why is it always my things that you mess with?
Well, since Roger put a new security system on his bedroom door, I've been struggling. Anyway, it's not important. The dolls are super small and have nowhere to live.
That's a point. We need a tiny dollhouse, and I know just what to do.
Wait right there, friends. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.
Sam, what are you doing? We wanted to build a house.
A tiny house with tiny props?
It's okay, Sam. We don't need to do that. We will use regular props.
Oh, well, that makes things much easier.
What kind of house should we make? There's so many options.
Builder Sam's reporting for duty. And I drafted up some layouts.
Wow, Sam, this is ambitious. A pool? Okay, let's get started. All the materials are in this box. We'll begin with the pool. It will definitely make a splash.
Really, Sue? Wow! I'm the one who makes the jokes here.
Oh, I was proud of that joke.
We need someone to test out the pool. My friend Quackers is willing to do it.
How's the water?
He's enjoying it, Sue. I'll lay by the pool, working on my tan.
Don't get too comfortable there, Sammy. I'll need your help. This needs a light. The dolls will have to see what they're doing.
Did you say light? We need something epic, a real statement piece. And I have just the thing.
Wow, it sounds like Sam has something special planned.
What do you think, Sue? Pretty good, huh?
It's a good idea, but it's maybe on the big side. We need to think small.
Smaller, huh? Wait, I've got it. Will these do?
That's it! It's perfect, Sam. We can use this paperclip to make a chandelier. And also, we need something classy.
We can use this. I found it when I was looking for pirate treasure.
For the last time, Sammy, that wasn't a treasure chest. It was my jewelry box.
It was still an epic adventure. Yay!
Oh, wow! It really looks great, Sam! Now we can finish the rest of the house.
The dolls will want a good view, so we need lots of windows.
The wall is a little boring, though. Why don't we decorate it?
Already on it, Sue. I'll give it a little Sam magic.
And I'll keep working on the windows.
Wow! I love this look. It's so chic, so modern. So, Sammy, you know, just perfect.
What's next? Ah, I know. We need stairs.
Leave it to me, Sue. I'll make the best stairs you've ever seen. It's important to make sure each piece of wood is the same size. Measure twice, cut once. That's what I always say. Oopsie! It looks like I better go back to the drawing board. I hope you've got a good book, Sue. This might take a while.
It's okay, Sam. We've already got a staircase right here.
Phew, that's a relief because this didn't go to plan.
I think we're ready to assemble everything.
It's starting to take shape, but we need furniture, Sue.
Oh, you're right. Let's decorate this room before we go any further.
I'll make the couch, Sue. I've been watching tutorials. This color is so in this season. It's going to be very comfortable, Sue. Trust me.
I do, and I can't wait to see it.
My work here is done. I'm pretty proud of it.
Looks wonderful. And this is the perfect spot for it.
I thought we could use these for decoration. It'll give it that homely feel. Every pool needs a rubber ring.
The living room and pool are ready. Now we can work on the kitchen. We'll start with making some kitchen furniture.
Wow! Some of these recipes are amazing! Sue, we need a fridge to store all the tasty food. I mean it! We really need one!
That's a good idea, Sam. As you know, great minds think alike.
Oh, we also need photographs to put on the fridge! Smile!
These are perfect, Sam. Let me place everything now.
There's no kitchen without a cooker, too. I'll work on that.
Great. While you do that, I'll make a dinner table.
The cooker and sink are done. Hang on. I need to try it out. I'll make something delicious for the dolls. I'm gonna cook up something special.
Ooh, that sounds yummy. I can't wait to see what you create. In the meantime, these chairs will really complement the table.
I couldn't find my chef's equipment, Sue, so I'm using a saw instead.
I'm sure that'll work, Sam. These will be delicious, healthy snacks for the dolls. We will definitely need to have some plants around the house. Mother Nature will be so proud of this. Wow, it looks like I'm good at gardening.
Maybe I should have done gardening instead of cooking. It didn't go to plan.
Oh, Sammy, it's the thought that counts.
I'll just order food instead. It's a lot safer. Hello, I want food. Express delivery.
Well done, Sam. And we didn't even need the fire department for this. We can start to put the kitchen together.
Oh. Phew, this is a workout, really.
It's looking good. The dolls will need to invite us around for dinner.
And this raw will really tie it together, like a centerpiece.
We can't forget about the dinner table and chairs.
Wow, we did a great job, but we still need to add another floor.
Well, what are we waiting for?
Yay!
Are you ready to work on the shower room and bedroom, Sammy? The floor is already here.
I'll be with you in a minute, Sue. I just need to have a quick scrub. Whee!
Haha, it looks like you're pretty relaxed there, Sam.
All this hard work is making me sleepy. Why don't I build a bed?
Sure, but remember, it's for the dolls.
I know that. I'm a professional after all.
And why do I have a bad feeling about this?
This is gonna be the coziest bed ever. So far, so good. Sometimes I surprise myself.
You're so modest, Sammy.
I will make the cozy blanket too. It'll be like a warm, fluffy hug.
It's really starting to feel like a home. And over here, the dolls can study.
My blanket is ready. Check it out. Hey! Who turned out the lights?
Are you okay, Sam? That didn't sound so good, right?
Ooh, I'm a spooky blue ghost.
That's an interesting look you got there.
I know. I'll go scare Roger.
Aw, Sam, don't do that!
It's gonna be so funny. Ow! Joke's on me, huh?
I told you, this is for the doll's bed, not for scaring people. There's something missing, but I can't figure out what.
How about pillows, Sue? The dolls will have a great night's sleep.
That's just what we need, Sammy. Thanks.
It's just the finishing touches that are left.
I think the dolls are going to be so happy living here. This skylight will give them a view of all the stars.
Wow, it's so magical.
Woohoo! It really is magical, Sammy. what a day!
Sue! We might have a problem. I was doing another experiment and discovered giant spray. The dolls are huge now. Really huge.
What? Sam, what are you saying?
We need to build a giant house for them. Stat!
Ugh, then we'd better get to work. Bye-bye, everyone!